What is your name?
Leah.
In which class do you read?
Leah.
What is your home dress?
Lahore.
What is your father name?
Leah.
What is your mother name?
Batia.
Where do you live?
Lahore.
Who are we? Who are created us? Al- Allah
Allah
Almighty.
Almighty.
Allah
Allah Almighty.
Almighty.
Allah Almighty.
What is your country name?
Patita.
Who is the founder of Pakistan?
Patita.
Who is the founder of Pakistan? Ka- Ka- Qaide.
Qaide Hamda.
What is color of our national flag?
Light green.
हमारे मुल्क का क्या नाम है?